How I'm rapping like my rant dude. A little trigger. Yo, what's going on, brother? Appreciate you joining, brother. Hope you're having a great ass time, bro. Let me go ahead and update this information here. All right. So we took a few trades last night. We still plan on trading here, and actually, market's at this very interesting support level, which is the bottom of this Fibonacci retracement. Check out my levels here. So that's what I'm watching here today, brother. See what market does. It looks like it doesn't want it, so I'm not gonna lie. That looks pretty strong. But we'll just see what happens. To a lot of crazy shit. He just firing off. Why you keep asking me about? I don't even know about that. It's crazy. I was playing ping pong basically on this stock. I mean, I said stock. I took longs here, shorts here. Now it's right here back at the area where I took longs. Is it finna bounce? Is it finna bounce? Let's check. Looks like it wants it. Some stocks don't look too hot though. Just looked at them. But let's boom today, guys. Let's make some motherfucking money today, guys. I'm trying to boom. I'm trying to make some bread. It's all good. This is the level I'm watching is this level right here. Very simple. Previous support level. Let me record this and put it on. Oops. All right, let me post this on Twitter and X. Lunches, brunches. Flushing through. My bad, I'm over here posting real quick all over online. But damn, that's a flush. You know everywhere. And if you don't know, now you know. I'm watching this little pullback here. Should reject. There's no way. Unless it really holds this last little area again. I gotta feed the streets. I gotta feed the streets. Sometimes I wake up and I feel like that I'm dreaming. You know, I don't give a fuck because I'm a... You know, I don't give a fuck if I'm a thing, man. Man, it does look kind of good for some nasty shorts, but I don't think I'm going to take that. Looks good for some nasty shorts, but I don't think I'm going to slap it. Oh, you just like me. All right. Essentially what I'm watching is really just this 1 hour time frame, or not just a 1 hour, but on the 1 hour time frame, right at this level. So I'm just curious what we're gonna do with this level. Obviously we broke below it. This is a pullback retest entry, but it's too soon to enter, and this candle looks ugly. So let's just give it some time. Let's just wait. Let's just be patient. Let's just wait. Paying cash ain't got no lease, just like me. just like me. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas, girl. I style. I didn't want to flex. Gotta make it out the hood. I was playing tag with the blue hundreds. I was playing tag with the blue hundreds. Blue racks in my jeans. I forgot to mention, we literally just got off the airplane last night from Texas, guys. I'm about to post a video on that here tonight. Wasn't able to edit it over the weekend. We just came back from Texas last night. So I'm a little bit tired, but we still go make some money. Let the money talk for us. I don't like to talk to ya. I just put you in your place. My Zella, stain. Blue X in my jeans. All right, we're taking one trade, risking. I like to risk a good 80 pop. I like to risk a good 80 pop. Or sorry, 98 pop. A little bit of a risk. Entered in a little bit late. Reason why I say entered in a little bit late is because this is a nice long wick to the upside. Really, this is a nice entry right at open, but we still catching it. We still in it. We are still trading it. Let's play back that song, guys. We need blue racks in our jeans. Get back that song. Where'd that song go? Blue racks in my jeans. Blue racks in my jeans. Give me the blue racks. Give me the blue racks right now. I need the blue racks with the what does he say? Ride around with a V12 with the racks in the middle. That's the song. That shit's mad goofy. I was riding around with a V12 with the racks in the middle. I was riding around with a V12 with the racks in the middle. No, we won't listen. We'll listen to this right here. Man, I just want to talk to me. It's fucking counterfeit. I get down with one, I'm right on to another bitch. Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far. You the only one with a card, your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls. Oh shoot, I forgot to record. The night and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place and your game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there. Walking on a dream. Just traveling the world. Talking to myself. Just traveling the world. Trying different drugs and girls. Addicted to champagne. Fuck the world, we got all baby. Let me reply back to the Discord. I have you.
Go to sleep, fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mixing drinks, knowing we'll regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. All this money, darling, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view. Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sound, let's consume. We are always running for the thrill, yeah. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill. Okay. All alone, we are calling out loud again. Never looking down, just ignoring what's in front. And I'm addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way.
I take the game.
They just wanna know where the blaze at. Addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the blaze at. Yeah, that's what it is. Until I drop the next one. And I'm addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the
All right, we need this thing to reject this level. If it gets above this level, that's a little bit concerning. Let's go ahead and add a little short position. We entered here. Go ahead and extend it out, make it fun. All right, there we go. Now it's on the 1 hour there. And then let's go ahead and put our nice little target. Can't be too Jewish. Can't expect it to go all the way down there. That's a wild trade. But that would be nice. That would be pretty nice. That would be pretty wild. Pretty wild though. Let's go ahead and take that off since we don't really care about setting prices, but we always have stop set. Let me change the song now to something different. What is going on, guys? Let's put on some money printing music. We need this market to drop, so we need some money printing music. Let's see. What's a good song? What's a good song, guys? We need something to drop the market. That's the kind of song we need. Oh. Let me see if we got any news right here for the next 5 minutes. Because it's about to be 7 a.m. here in one moment. All right, so it looks like we have construction spending report. I don't think that's really going to be that serious. So that's about to drop here in about a few minutes. Push it to the limits. No. Maybe I should add my orders in, huh? Let's go ahead and do that. Boom. All right, there we go. So now we got our execution markers on. So you can see when I entered, as well as the process. Push it to the limits. I got another one like that. These are songs I listen to when I'm about to fight. You know, you just sitting in the background, just getting ready, training. You just ooh, you only see that come on. Type shit. Over the wire. Oh no, look at that 1 hour. That 1 hour's trying to hold. The 4 hour closes too here. Look at the 4 hour though, guys. That shit looks mad weak. As long as we can hold through the drawdown and not get stopped out, I think we'll be pretty solid. Of course, I'm watching and making sure market doesn't get back above. But that would definitely be a little bit concerning. To live my dream. Come on, stocks. Stocks look pretty cooked too. What the helly? Hey homie, I can share your stream in a Kick community to help you hit 1,000 followers, interviews, and 1,000. Next. Gotta hit me with a better sales pitch. It's not too hot. It's not too hot. Oh shit, let me put back on my where my trade go? Sorry guys, hold on. Sorry, almost. I'm also recording this too. So we can add it to the vlog. Anything you guys say can and you will be used against you in court. Don't say anything too crazy, you guys being live recorded. $30 seconds for this candle to close on the 1 hour, and it looks pretty scary. I'm not gonna lie, look at that. That's a long ass wick holding that support. Now, we're still gonna hold this trade either in stop loss or it's gonna go to, or it's just gonna go back into break even, but let's hope this news too doesn't affect us. We have news coming out in 5 seconds, guys. 5 seconds. News is coming out in 5 seconds. Here it comes. Hopefully hopefully it doesn't affect us. I hate when news steps me out or stops me out and then it goes right back in favor. Gang. Let me put on the sound. Let me put on the sound so we can hear the sound when it stops me out. I entered on that counter right here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's holding this support. It needs to die. It needs to not. Let's see what is going on here. Reject, please. We're finna fly like papers, get high like planes. Fly like paper, get high like planes. There we go. Now it's perfectly when I entered. You know, you have those trades where you enter and it immediately goes to stop. That's almost one of these trades. Last night's trades went immediately. Profits. So we need this one to do this. We need this one to come right back down. Just a little bit of a scary 15. All I want to do is and take your money. And take your money. The way he's looking, I think I might get stopped. Most likely. But we're still waiting. UPS trucks. Guys, they're talking about Houston airport being super wild. I was literally just in that shit. I'm not even lying. If you guys go Google Houston airport, I was there last night. That shit, I literally had to stand in line for 6 hours. I'm not even lying. I got to the airport at 1:17 p.m. Didn't get in to my gate until 6:20 p.m. My flight was at 7:40, so I made it. But literally, that airport is freaking insane right now, guys. I probably don't want to travel for a long time, but just based off that experience, that was crazy. Don't want to go through that shit again. That freaking Texas trip was wild. Texas airport is full right now. I can't even imagine anybody being stuck in that. My baby don't mess around. I'm about to get stopped down, but it's all good now. Cause I'm up in the motherfucking profit, so it's okay if I lost it now. And the stuckiest thing about the whole trip to Texas is I literally forgot my camera in my car. I was rushing to the gate, super scared I was finna lose, or not lose, but miss my first flight to Houston. So I literally left my vlogging camera freaking in the car. So glad I did not get stolen. Nobody broke in. Guys, looking like we're about to get stopped out right now. It's about to hit me. There it goes. All right. So we just got stopped out. Let me go ahead and take a screenshot for the gang. Actually, I'm actually already recording it. So I just recorded that whole trade. So what I like to do is I like to record all my trades so that when I post it later or talk about it, you can just see what I did. So unfortunately, this trade right here immediately stopped me out. So sometimes what I like to do is grab it and put it exactly where I got stopped out at. Boom. So that was my first trade of New York City session open, and it was a loss. So let's go ahead and screenshot this so we can post it. Sensual seduction. All right, I just posted in the Discord. The first trade on live was a $98 loss. So I just posted the screenshot, just posted the P&L of what it was in the Discord. Let me actually go ahead and make sure. Again, we like to be transparent. We like to talk about what we just did. We don't always like to talk about the wins because you don't always win. So you gotta learn how to lose. All right, let's continue on. What it do, brother? What it do, my brother? Just took our first trade right now on live. freaking got stopped out. But how you doing today, my mans? Let's go ahead and change the song to something else. Getting a little freaky in here. Hold on. Hold on. Don't start stripping yet. Alright. It's a pretty chill song. Pretty mellowed out. But yeah, bro, I just took my first loss. My first loss on live today. Took a few losses before, but today. Just took a short here. Expected it to bounce or, reject. And it's just freaking rockets. Now, I am watching this support level, which is why I took longs last time. But the breakdown, man, I expected that drop to happen, but it did not, guys. So we're climbing back up. Don't plan on trading anything else until we get back to this resistance level here. That's exactly where I plan on doing something next. But at the moment, we're just gonna wait. Took short too, but I closed the profits. Nice, bro. That is great. I swung a nasty ass short last night. Let me show you, bro. I woke up to a nice trade, but this is my first 2 trades. So I took a long here, exited here, took a short here, exited way over here, and that's how I was up $400 at the morning. But this next trade that I just took, or this New York City session open trade that I just took, got me stopped out. So I lost a little hundo. I would say the proudest trade I just took though was probably this one last night. Took a short here, and obviously I would probably, I would have got scared here, but I was asleep. So let it happen. Anyway, let's see what else is cracking. I don't think I have any levels on M and Q. The color of love. Kiss of life. Let me turn off my orders. Makes it look crazy. Yeah, exactly. No emotions when sleeping. You just wake up. You're like, either you hit profits or you got stopped out, or holding that bitch. Trying to scalp max. Trying to take as much scalps as I can today. Let me change the song before I start throwing hella trades out real quick. Hold on. No. I need some. Okay. Anyways, bro. Let's go ahead and check and see what's going on here. See what's going on with oil. Nice little breakdown. Gold's almost calling me, but it's kind of already. This is a nice little break and retest here that's already gone though. A very quick, simple break and retest is already gone. I'll probably just grab that one there. Yeah, this shit's gone. Can't chase that. What is going on with oil? Just another late night with my bed. Alright guys, we're gonna have to wait then. We're gonna have to wait for market to just get back to this next level of resistance, since I'm pretty much just trading back and forth the ping pongs of these levels. I mean, we could take a little attempt here, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. But let me show you what I'm looking at. This is how simple I keep it right here. These wicks are like really close, but essentially something like that, I guess you could say. That's how simple and stupid I keep it. But I'm not gonna take it to myself because I actually don't wanna. I'm waiting, but this is just what I could and I would trade, some shit like that. That's just how simple I keep it. But we're not taking that. We're not taking that shit. She had big tits like Billie Eilish, but she couldn't sing. Oh yeah, look at that breakthrough. Let me just delete this. It's kind of looking ugly in the way. Just another late night with my bitch. Let me change this song real quick. So I hate to even call her as my bitch. Just another late night with my bitch. Brother, water, shutter. Brother, shutter, hutter. Wait. When it's back, they don't know you. Oh, came back. And both MES and gold are flushing. So one of them has to correct here. And I think it probably will be gold. Gold will probably correct here first. Let me show you. What the fuck? I don't know. Should we take that one? What is silver doing? Silver doesn't have a breakout. It's gold that has a breakout. Keep accusing me of shit, then I gotta get a lawyer. Man, it looks good actually though. If I risk this trade, I'm only gonna risk $100, which will put me down about 244 for the day if I take this one. But it's already gone. It's already leaving. I was just analyzing it, seeing if I really wanted to risk my $100 on this trade. Still is a chance. If it pulls back and dips random little dippers, then that'd be nice. That's how fast the market moves. But what I love about it is it literally gives you a couple seconds to answer. Like I had all the opportunity to answer. That's what's beautiful about the market. And I don't chase. I'm not a chaser. So if I miss my entry, I just don't take it. And I feel good about that shit. I don't even mind. No, fuck that shit. Nah. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Wow, which one's losing?
Having conversations with mama. Man, my life is a mess. Ain't been returning the text, so she been reading the press. She got Google alerts. Them shits go straight to her phone. She worried about me from home. You know she raised me alone. She said I heard you back with you know who. I told her, girl, I'm always back with you know who. Yeah.
She like, who we kidding?
You're 27, you're just being you. You're your father's child, man. Thank God you got some me and you. At least I always see it true. At least I'm always being true to what you taught me. Retired teacher, but your words still got me evolving. Never get sloppy drunk, but alcohol is problem solving. And look, I hate it when you hate on all my girlfriends and assistants. Always convinced that there's someone better. Like that girl from your gym who trains you.
I know she free Thursday. She don't want the life. Time ain't right.
Maybe one day, but even one day with us is the time of a life. We do things that people pay to document. You got the sweetest heart, but I'm not here to give out confidence.
Boom.
Lose nobody's confidence, mama.
Now,
I got no friends in this
Second trade of the day. How much are we risking? Actually, I kind of want to risk. Kind of want to risk what 140 bucks. Let's risk 140. All right, guys. So we're gonna risk 140 on this trade. Mind you, I'm not even talking about the price target. I'm not even talking about how much I'm gonna win. All this trade's gonna print. We are. So we're gonna risk 140 just so that. Worst case scenario, I'm still up $200 on the day. Boo-hoo. $200. I would take that. Having conversations with mama. Yeah, my life is a mess. Ain't returning a text. She got Google alerts. Them shits go straight to her phone. She worry about me from home.
Having conversations with mama. We start talking about dad. You know he dropping a single. He saying this is his window. That nigga still wearing linen. That nigga still in the club. Call him after we get off the phone and show him some love. That nigga Memphis for real. Girl, he love
no
you to
way.
death. He made mistakes throughout his life that he still doesn't accept. But he just want our forgiveness. And fuck it, look how we're living. I'm content with this story. Who are we not to forgive him? At least I've been to a prison. At least I know what it's like. I used to rap on.
Having conversations with mama. That you never live. I got 4 rings, 4 albums, bitch, I'm out. I just hope they bleed. I don't like surprises at all. All right, guys, when I go 1-to-1, I like to put it in break even. So let's go ahead and put that shit break even. And I don't know if I'm lagging. So if I'm lagging, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. All right, my computer is kind of lagging here. Let me see how bad the latency is. Okay, so the computer is a little bit lagging, guys, but we are in this trade in profit. So hopefully it's, let me see how bad the latency is. Hold on. Okay, it's not that bad no more. It was lagging for a quick moment. Not sure what that was going on there. All right, guys, a few things on this trade here is we took one trade on live earlier and it was a $100 loss or $98 loss, whatever. Now we're in this trade here and it's up basically what we just lost. But of course, I can't just take that because that's a tug of war. That's going back and forth, one-to-ones. Got to try our best to try to collect this fuck. Give me that shit. I don't want to get stopped out on there. So we did take our exit here. Let's go ahead and pop up our execution markers. So very simple, quick in and out trade, scalp maxing to the max as quick as we can. Now, very simple break and retest on this previous level here. I mean, that's how simple it is, guys. Again, I'm not saying I'm the best trader, but at least I keep it so consistent with my trade setters, my trade style, and it's very simple. It's not complex, it's not over complicated. There's nothing. I mean, I'm just scanning stocks, and if this shit even does the same thing, I mean, like, boom, I'll answer. That's how fast it is. That's how easy it is. So we're probably even gonna go live, not live, but probably go ahead and go through our orders for which trades we took on the 24th. Doesn't show how much profits. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a video about this as well. I'm pretty hyped for it. So we took 4 trades today, 2 on live, 4 trades today. One being a long here, quick exit here, another short position here, exit here. So those 2 nice wins put us up over $400 on the day at the time. And then we took a short position here, got stopped out on, so we took a loss. And then we took another trade on gold, which put us up in profits. This is that trade here. So we took 4 trades, guys. 3 wins, 1 loss. It's very simple. I trade the same all day, every day. Break and retest. Give me a level, I'll enter it, and that's just it. So anyways, guys, probably going to end it here since we just scalp max to the max. But I hope you guys enjoyed this live. And again, guys, if you guys want, we're literally live every single day. I've been going live for, this is the 5th week now. 5th week. Imagine, I've been going live every single day for 5 weeks, every single day. Except Friday because we was out in Texas. Good. Why is it? Oh, thank you, brother. I appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, brother. I just took one quick in and out trade on gold. But anyways, I'm just wrapping it up here. We're going to end it here, bro. Because I don't plan on trading anything else. And if I do trade anything else, it probably would be this long position here on SPY, essentially. MES, whatever. But anyways, brothers and bro, Golden, appreciate you being in here, bro. And I'll catch you in the Discord chat. I'm a little bit yeeted from last night's flight, so I'm just a little tired. But we'll just end it here. Just call it good. And then we'll probably add all the trades that I just took into the vlog. So anyways, brother, appreciate you, bro. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in the live Discord, brother. Appreciate you, man.